Huge updates from the W-Coin team. There is now a way for us to turn our in-game W coins into vouchers or NFTs and be able to sell them even before listing. Now, this is very huge, and I'm going to talk about everything in this video. I'm also going to show you guys how to do it right away. But of course, before going into the video, you guys already know I'm Enoch Okedere, and happy new month to you all. You guys already know we're talking about the W-Coin airdrop, and of course, like many projects out there, there is now ways for us to turn our in-game currency into NFTs or into vouchers, into something that we can sell before the airdrop or the TGE has even begun. Now, I personally do not know why they're doing these things, but of course, I think it maybe helps the ecosystem to maybe rake in more funds to get some more trading volume added to it or some hype before even the token would list. Now, of course, you guys know W-Coin has been dropping hints back to back, and right from the white paper scam, they dropped a toilet paper for all of us to read. You know, I wanted to make a video about it, but I was like, come on, what do I want to make a video of and tell people that are using their data? What is the important information there to show them a toilet paper? I just scrapped it right away because it was very frustrating. And then the next thing they also did was they postponed the mining date. So that was also something that was very frustrating. We all saw it coming. We knew they were going to postpone this thing. But imagine if you want to postpone something, you are not the one to be making a joke a few days before. But you know, it's the Telegram space, it's the mining era. We are the miners, we are the farmers, you know, we are just the farmers. So anything they give us to farm, we're going to farm. And the problem is we've already invested loads of time, resources into this project. So I mean, do anything you want to do, we will be here till you list and till you do the TGE. But anyways, that is basically the whole thing in the Telegram ecosystem. But right now, we're just going to go straight into the app on Telegram. Now, of course, as you guys can see my screen, I'm in the W community on Telegram. And I mean, coming back all the way from this NFTs phase, this was the joke of the century. Many people laughed. I also clicked the laugh one. The white paper was very funny. I mean, just a recap, you go all the way to white paper. I mean, it's still there. They've not deleted it. It's still there. The toilet paper is still there. You know, at some point, using my brain, I was like, maybe there's something decoded inside. Maybe there's something inside. I kept on zooming in, but it was just all rubbish tissue paper. But anyways, the next thing they posted was the W-Coin NFT Premarket is coming. Actually, they did something. They postponed the date, but now they've deleted the post. Because if you guys remember, they put the post, but they've deleted the post after we were very angry. But anyways, they said the W-Coin NFT Premarket is coming. And this was like a long time ago. They said this already, but now it is currently in our app. So we can check for the eligibility, and it says the W-Coin NFT Premarket's in progress. Open the airdrop page in W-Coin MiniApp, get in key, and check if you meet all the claim conditions. Now, NFT Way is a way to appreciate our OGs, blah, blah, and blah, blah. Check your NFT. And they said something shortly because I've already checked mine, and there's a problem with the eligibility, so do not be worried about it. Just make sure you check if the other things are ready. So W-Coin NFT updates made reported an issue with the active mates requirement. Some users see an incorrect status. We're fixing it ASAP. Thank you for the patience. Now let's go into the app. Let's check our NFT. I've been mining. I've been trying to improve my W-Coin balance before TGE. And of course, that's where we are right now. As you guys can see, W-Coin last steps of mining phase. In fact, I bought a nice skin for myself just to refresh the whole thing. My current balance is 480 million currently, and then all we have to do is not waste any time. Here, right here in the middle, you see it says the W-Coin Premarket, so W airdrop. Now, trade W-Coin using vouchers before token is issued. Unlock condition, connect your Ton wallets is done already. 3 active mates. I obviously have more than 3 active mates. 10 completed tasks, 2 completed campaign, 1 W keys transaction, 100 WAI balance, and 10 completed stakes. Now, the way it's looking, it looks like this will be a good thing, because if they listen all these things to be eligible, that means they know some people might not be eligible and they do not want to give everyone the chance to participate in the pre-market, which I honestly do not know why. But it's probably they are trying also to burn some of the tokens. Now, this is another way to think of it. There are some people with loads of W-Coin balance. There's people with maybe 1 billion. 1 billion is small, maybe 2 billion, 10 billion, 100 billion balance. I mean, if you guys have seen, you can just comment in the comment section, or if you are one of those people having 1 billion and more than that, comment as well, because when it's too much, the airdrop will be crazy. So I think this is a way to burn the tokens even before listing and TGE, because this way, most people that will be doing this are those ones with loads and loads of tokens. So once they can get those ones out of the way, the extra tokens and the people with loads of balance, then I think they will have little work to do with the TGE and the listing. So I think it's a way to burn some tokens and just change it into cash real quick. And also, it could also be a way to keep some activity started even before listing. Keep the market boiling already for W-Coin before TGE, which is also very good for each and every project. But I mean, W-Coin was a mining program after my heart at the beginning. Currently, they are moving like the regular Telegram things. But we've been used to getting dust for, back-to-back dust, toe market dust, this one dust, that one dust, dust. We are very dusty right now. So we hope, and they say it's the hope that kills, but we hope that these ones would at least finally cook. But guys, that was basically everything I wanted to share with you guys in this video. I mean, everything is still running. WAI is running. Everything is running currently. You have your mates. Everything is running. So we're just waiting now currently for the TGE. So if you've watched till this point, make sure you smash that like and hit that subscribe already. And do not also be worried to share this video to as many friends as you can. Okay, it's perfectly okay. Thank you so much. I hope you guys are enjoying the month of February already. Have a wonderful day and peace.